You have a new client and you have to get them a contract, a W-9, and other documents signed and sent off to them. How do you do it? Are you printing it out? Is this 2001? No, the best way to use this is by using Dropbox Sign, formerly known as HelloSign. I'm Georgie from GSD Solutions, and let's talk about Dropbox Sign. So Dropbox Sign is one of my favorite signature signing platforms and tools for small and medium-sized businesses. As a small and medium-sized business owner myself, sometimes we have to send out contracts, we have to send out W-9s, we have to send different documentations to our clients or contractors or partners, so many variety of people, and having a tool that allows us to have templates, easy connection to Google Drive, even connections to our other tools like HubSpot, ClickUp, and QuickBooks makes it so much easier to have our workflow all connected. Again, especially as a small business owner, that sometimes my team is just me, and sometimes I have part-time contractors or even full-time team members that come on and help. But as we know, small businesses go up and then down. And being able to have a tool that no matter if I have a super small team of just one or a larger team of 10 or 20 or even 100, I can still use this tool to sign contracts, send over important documents, and get signatures from other people that need to sign these important documents. So if you're curious to learn about Dropbox Sign, go ahead and click the link below to take a free trial, as well as reach out to us at GSD Solutions because we are officially Dropbox partners. So if you want to learn more about how to use the tool, we are also eligible resellers. So if you're trying to sign up for Dropbox Sign and then integrate it into your business and your workflow for your organization, let us know and we could work with the sales engineer to get you set up all the way on Dropbox Sign. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions specifically around Dropbox Sign, leave them down below in the comments. And we can't wait to see you in another video. Remember to like it if you found value and subscribe to our channel for more. Talk to you soon. Bye.